Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this really cute keychain that you can use as a key holder or even as an accessory for your bags. For the materials, we'll be needing our keychain, something like this. So you can get this in different colors. I think it's available in silver and is in gold, but I'm using a silver color this time, so you can get it in the preferred color. Then we'll be using our sugar beads. We'll be using our size 8 sugar beads. I'm using the brown color, and should I call this gold now or silver? It's supposed to be gold, but it's just water gold, if there's anything like that. So we'll be using our sugar bead size 8. You can also use your pearls size 8 or your crystal size 8. Then I'll be using a size 0.7 mm fish line. You can use a 0.6 mm fish line if that's what you have. So to start, we are going to be putting 5 of our transparent color beads into our fish line, and then we cross with 1 to give us a ring of 6. So we put 5 of these into our fish line, and then we cross with 1 to give us a ring of 6. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on my other tutorials. I drop tutorials here on YouTube every week, so do it to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my tutorials. So this is what we have now after crossing our first string of 6. Then after doing that, the next thing is to put 4 brown beads into our left fish line. We put 4 brown beads into our left fish line, and then we cross with 1 bead. So we have 4 brown beads in our left fish line, and then we are crossing with this one. So this is how your work should be after crossing. Then next, we are going to pass our right fish line into the next transparent color bead, just like this. Just like this. Please, as you're working, make sure you are holding your fish line very tight because you don't want your work to be sagging. Then on our left fish line, we are going to pass in 3 brown beads and then cross with 1. So on our left fish line, we have 3 brown beads, and then we are crossing with 1. So this is what we have. Next, we are going to pass our right fish line into the next transparent bead, just like so. And then on our left fish line, we are going to add 3 brown beads and cross with 1, just like we did the other time. Do it to like this video and share with your friends that you think might be interested in this tutorial too. And if you have any question, you can always drop your question in the comment section. So this is what we have now after crossing. Next, we are just going to continue the same process of passing our right fish line into the next transparent bead. Then on our left fish line, we add 3 brown beads and then cross with 1. In our left fish line, we add 3 brown beads, then we cross with 1. Then we repeat the same process of passing our right fish line into the next transparent bead. Then on the left fish line, we add our 3 brown beads and then cross with 1. So on our left fish line we have 3 brown beads, and then we are crossing with 1. If you've not liked this video, please do well to like the video and share with your loved ones. And if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please do well to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other tutorials. If you have any question or any video you'd like me to make next, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be replying to all comments. Now we are at our last transparent bead, so this step will be a little bit different. We are going to pass our fish line into the next transparent bead, and then this brown bead by the side, this particular brown bead by the side here. Just like this. Then on our left fish line we add 1 brown bead, we add our keychain through the last hole, then we add 1 brown bead, and then we cross with the last brown bead. And then with this we are done with our keyholder. The least we need to do now is to pass our fish line through the work and then cut it off. So this is what I have. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and you can always tag me on social media when you do yours. Thank you for watching. I'd like to see you recreate this actually. Bye, and see you in my next video.